Today we want to change the shape of our comments, so we don't want a rectangle, we want different shapes, and it's important we want to modify old comments. So when we go to Review tab in the newest Excel, we will see Add New Comment, but it's not the comment we want, so escape. We want Add Notes. This is old comment, so when we add new note, we can modify this comment, the shape of this comment. How can we do it? We can add proper command to quick access toolbar. So more commands, we need all commands because it's not popular command. And when Excel show us all commands, there are very many commands, so ch, and we want to change shape, and we can add this command to our quick access toolbar, press OK, and then we can select our comment, and it's important we select the comment, not modifying text. So click on the border, and then we can choose new comment shape, for example this, and we can modify some of those comments. And it's important also that we can also change other options of this comment. We have to select once again comment, not text, and then we can press Ctrl 1, and we can change many properties of this comment. And we just change simple fill color that we can see. We can modify shapes, colors, and other properties of this old comment, so today's notes.